In this video, I will show you how to check your Instagram insights for your business. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up Instagram. We're going to head to our profile, and what you're going to do is select the three lines that you see right here at the top right corner of your screen. If you have a professional account, you're going to see the option right here to learn about your insights. So select that option, and this is going to show you your professional dashboard, including your views, your interactions, any new followers that you have, and also the content that you have shared. If you currently are also using ads on Instagram, well, you will see that information right here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select views, and this is going to show me an overall statistic of how my Instagram account is performing. And I can also see from that number who are people that are following me or my business and who are people that discovered my account and are not following me yet. At the bottom, you can also see how people are seeing your content. So for example, if the content is coming from Instagram stories, posts, or reels, you're going to see that right here at the bottom. If you want to analyze every single post that you have created on Instagram, you can see this right here at the bottom. You can check on see all, and this is going to show you the number of views or likes that your posts are getting on Instagram. Now, if you want to learn about interactions, this is going to be all the likes, all the comments, all the shares, and the saves. You can select that option as well and scroll down to check what is the performance of every single category. So for example, I can analyze my posts, my stories, and also my reels. And lastly, to learn about your new followers, Instagram is going to show you kind of like this little metric where you can see the total number of people that have followed you, but also the number of people that have unfollowed your account. So you can check your follower details right here. You can see the overall, only your follows, and also your unfollows. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Bye.